So this is a tutorial on how to sharpen a stick with just a sidewalk. You don't need knives, you don't need nothing. This is one stick that I have sharpened myself with only a sidewalk. This is another one. So these can get pretty sharp. So you want to have a stick that you can easily carve and it's not broken or anything like that. So you want to rub it like this on one. So this is what you can do in 5 to 8 minutes. It's very easy. Just you have to make sure that you keep on turning. You want to have a side flat, another side flat. Then you want to flatten out the two sides and basically make it sharp on the tip. So this isn't very sharp because we rushed it.
But at least we sharpened it.
Yeah, but at least we sharpened it to the point where it looks very sharp. So in about 10 minutes, this is about how sharp you can make one.
Okay, this is it.